Lesson 7. Presenting decimals. We know that if we divide one complete whole into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/10 and is written as 1/10. The fraction 1/10 can be written in another way called decimal form. In the decimal form, it is written as 0.1. In 0.1, dot, dot, is called decimal point. 0.1 is read as 0.1. Similarly, 2/10 is equal to 0.2, 3/10 is equal to 0.3, 4/10 is equal to 0.4 and so on. Let us now combine whole numbers with decimal numbers. We can see that there are two complete wholes and 7/10 or 0.7. It is read as 2.7 or 2.7. Thus, a decimal number consists of two parts, whole number part and decimal part separated by a decimal point. Hundreds. If we divide a whole into 100 equal parts, each part thus obtained is called 100 and is written as 1/100. In the decimal form it is written as 0.01. Now look at the following figure. Out of 100 squares, 33 have been shaded. We write this in fraction 33/100. In the decimal form, it is written as 0.33. Similarly, 26/100, 38/100 are written as 0.26 and 0.38 respectively. Thousands. If a whole is divided into 1,000 equal parts, each part thus obtained is called 1,000 and is written as 1/1000 in the decimal form. It is written as 0.001. If we take 9 parts out of 1,000 equal parts of a whole, then the 9 parts make 9/1000 of the whole and is written as 0.009. Similarly, 15/1000 and 987/1000 are written as 0.015 and 0.987 respectively. Place value and decimals. So far, we have learned the following place value chart for numbers. We know that 1000 is equal to of 1/10,000, 10,000 divided by 10 equals 1000. 100 is equal to 1/10 of 1000, 1000 divided by 10 equals 100. 110 is equal to 1/10 of 100, 100 divided by 10. 11 is equal to 1/10 of 110, 10 divided by 10 equals 1. Clearly, in the place value chart, as we shift one place to the right, the value of the digit becomes of its value at the preceding place. The decimal fractions help us to extend to the place value chart further to the right. If we include only the tens, hundreds and thousands places in the above chart, the new chart will take the following form. Thus, we have 1/10 is equal to 1/10 of 1/1. 100 is equal to 1/10 of 1/10. 1000 is equal to 1/10 of 100. Decimals in expanded form. Consider the decimal numbers 624.321 and 205.436. We can arrange the given numbers in the place value chart as follows. 624.321 is equal to 600s plus 2 tens plus 4 ones plus 3 tens plus 200s plus 1000. This is the expanded form of 624.321, while 624.321 is called the standard or short form. Similarly, 205.436 in expanded form can be written as. Example, write the following decimals in the place value table. A. 532.36. B. 680.345. C. 60.527. Solution. The given decimals can be expressed in the place value table as shown ahead. Example 3. Write the decimals shown in the place value table. Solution. Given numbers are A. 6480.793. B. 282.06. C. 9440.026. How to read decimals? We know that decimals consist of two parts, whole number part and decimal part. We follow the rule given below to read a decimal or to write the number name for the decimal. Rule: the whole number part is read as usual. The decimal part is read as if it were a whole number, but the name of the place of the last digit on the right is attached to the number. The word "and" is used for the decimal point. Examples: 1. 259.36 is read as 259 and 36 hundredths. 2. 272.7 is read as 272 and 7 tenths. 3. 0.38 is read as 38 hundredths. We can also write the number names of decimals in another way. It is the more usual way of writing a decimal number. Rule: the whole number part is read as usual. The decimal point is read as point. The decimal part is read digit-wise. Examples: 1. 245.49 is read as 245.49. 2. 367.903 is read as 367.903. Decimal places. Each place to the right of the decimal point is a decimal place. For example, 0.6 has one decimal place and 7.08 has two decimal places. Like and unlike decimals. Like decimals, decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Examples: 0.6 and 24.8, 3.79 and 0.79, 0.846 and 43.294 are all pairs of like decimals having 1, 2 and 3 decimal places respectively. Unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Example: 1.3, 3.760, 0.79 are unlike decimals as they have different decimal places. Remember that only the decimal part of the number is considered in grouping like and unlike decimals. Decimals such as 4.2 is equal to 4.20 is equal to 4.200 are equivalent, but unlike decimals. Conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. To convert unlike decimals into like decimals, we make the number of decimal places equal for all decimals in the group. For example, unlike decimals 5.7, 5.83 and 3.908 can be converted into like decimals as 5.700, 5.830 and 3.908. Now, all of them have 3 decimal places. How to compare decimals? To compare two decimals, we take these steps. Step 1. Convert the given decimals into like decimals. Step 2. First compare the whole number parts. Step 3. If they are the same, compare the tens digits. Step 4. If they are the same, compare the hundredths digits and so on. Example 1. Compare 27.54 and 18.89. Solution. Comparing the whole number parts of the given decimals, we find that 27 greater than 18. Hence, 27.54 is greater than 18.89. How to convert a common fraction into a decimal fraction? In order to convert a common fraction into a decimal fraction, we adopt the division method. In this method, we proceed as per the following steps. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Step 2. When division is finished and a non-zero remainder is left, insert a decimal point in the dividend and the quotient and put a 0 on the right of the decimal point in the dividend and the remainder and divide again. Step 3. Continue the division process just like whole numbers till a 0 remainder is obtained. Example. Convert the following fractions into decimals. A. 3/4. Solution. Therefore 3/4 is equal to 0.75. Sometimes, a fraction can be converted into an equivalent fraction with denominator 10 or 100 or 1000 etc. How to convert decimals into common fractions? We take the following steps for converting decimals into common fractions. Step 1. Write the given decimal without the decimal point as a numerator. Step 2. Form a number by annexing as many zeros to the right of 1 as is the number of decimal places in the given decimal. Write this number as denominator. Example. Write the following decimals as fractions. 1. 3.3. 2. 0.05. 3. 9.93. 4. 0.200. Solution 1. 3.3 is equal to 33 by 10. 2. 0.05 is equal to 5 by 100. 3. 9.93 is equal to 993 by 100. 4. 0.200 is equal to 200 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 5. Addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping. Adding decimal numbers is just like adding whole numbers. Follow the given steps to add decimals. Let us add 3.63 and 4.2. Step 1. Put the digits according to place value, i.e., one below the other, making sure that the decimals are also exactly one below the other, ones below ones, tens below tens, and so on. The decimal points will fall in the same vertical line and the tens, hundreds, etc. will also fall one below the other. Step 2. Convert the decimals into like decimals. Step 3. Add as usual. Start from the hundreds. Carry over if needed. Step 4. Place the decimal point in the answer in the same place as the numbers above it. Thus, 3.63 plus 4.2 is equal to 7.83. Subtraction of decimals. Subtracting decimal numbers is just like subtracting whole numbers. To subtract one decimal number from the other, we follow the steps given below. Let us subtract 13.85 from 20.7. Step 1. Put the greater number on top and the smaller one below, taking care to match the place value and keeping the decimals one below the other. 20.7 minus 13.85. Step 2. Convert them into like decimal. 20.70 minus 13.85. Step 3. Subtract as usual. Regroup if necessary. Step 4. The decimal point in the answer must be in the same place as in the number above it. Thus, 20.70 minus 13.85 is equal to 6.85. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Multiplication of a decimal by a whole number is just like multiplying whole numbers. For example, let us multiply 4.25 by 3. To multiply, we follow the steps given below. Step 1. Multiply as with whole numbers ignoring the decimal. Step 2. Count the number of decimal places in the factors. Step 3. Show the number of decimal places. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. In the product as shown below, thus 4.25 times 3 is equal to 12.75. Remember, the number of decimal places in the product equals the sum of the number of decimal places in the factors. While counting the digits in the product to place the decimal point, start from the right. Division of a decimal by a natural number. Dividing decimals is just like dividing whole numbers, except for placing the decimal point. Let us divide 13.64 by 8. We follow the steps given below to divide 13.64 by 8. Step 1. Place the decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point. Step 2. Divide as if you were dividing whole numbers. Divide the ones, divide the tens, divide the hundreds, divide the thousands. Thus, 13.64 divided by 8 is equal to 1.705. Check. Divisor times quotient is equal to dividend. 1.705 times 8 is equal to 13.64. Thus, our answer is correct.